Hi guys, I just got back from work, tired, disheveled, no makeup, and what was waiting for me at the door was a Sephora play. Yay! So let's see. Mary's here, but she said I'll have to go upstairs if I want to get one of her blades, so I'm just using her old standby because I'm too lazy to go upstairs. Her standby Smith & Wesson box opener. Let's see what's in this. I have no idea. I didn't peek at the Sephora play. I have no idea what's coming. So, my favorite part, you get a little card with, if you buy something at Sephora over the next month, you get 50 extra insider points, which is always nice because they give you special gifts when you have a certain number of points. And you get this little thing, last minute looks for Halloween, that shows you kind of what's in the box. I feel like this is what I look like today. That's the kind of day I had. You see that one, Mary?
That looks like somebody tried to
Mary, should I show people you? Even though,
hi.
yeah, hi. There's Mary. And here they have. I still don't like this plastic bag they're using to send now. I like their old cloth bags. But c'est la vie. Let's see what's in this one. Ooh, Urban Decay. Cool. Urban Decay has terrible names on some of their products, but they make awesome stuff. Oh, it's a setting spray. Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray.
That's good setting spray. Gina has it.
Oh, okay. You gonna steal it from me?
You wear makeup more than me, so.
All right. All right, and you can see the size. Sephora Play, it's $10 a month, and they send you 5 deluxe samples and sometimes something extra. So this gives you an idea of the size of one of the items. I'll have a link to sign up below. I don't think it's a referral link. I'll just refer you to the site. I have no idea if they have a referral program or not. And, oh, one of these chunky lip pencils. This looks like a color that would be absolutely terrible on me. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to use that one. I think I'm going to pass that one on. Sometimes when people buy something out of my Poshmark store, I throw in one of these as an extra thank you gift, and I think that's where that's going to go. This did not touch my face. I just held it up to it. Because that kind of candy cane pink or baby pink, not candy cane pink, cotton candy pink. That's what I'm trying to say. That is not me. All right. And let's see what else we got here. Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin. So is there skin in here? That would be Halloween, wouldn't it? That would be really gross. It is a skin tint. Let's see what shade this is in. That looks... If it's just a skin tint, that might work on me. I'm going to see. Let's see what this looks like. I don't know. Is this going to work on me? Put it over my spots. Actually, that's not too bad. I could work with that. The thing about a skin tint is it shears out, so even if the color's not exact, you can still work with it. It looks a little yellow for me. And I can have a lot of yellow but in my skin naturally, but that looks a little yellow even for me. But I think I could work with it. See what else is in here. The thing with Sephora Play is they don't always match colors to you very well, but it does give you a feeling for what a product is like. Like if you get a sample of a lipstick, even if it's not that color for me, if I use it, I have an idea of how long it lasts, whether it tugs at my lips, whether it's creamy, whatever. So it's not bad. Ooh, this I can use. Fresh SoyFace Cleanser, not SoyFace Cleanser. SoyFace Cleanser, I guess you put it on, you'd look like a soybean. All right, this is SoyFace Cleanser for all skin types, rich in amino acids, gently cleanses face and eyes. And there's something under that. I don't know what language it's in, but I get the idea. That's a nice size sample. Does it have how much is in it? 20 milliliters, 0.6 fluid ounces. That's a pretty good size. I'm pretty happy with that. And then, oh yeah, they almost always send a perfume sample. This is called Replica, Reproduction of Familiar Scents and Moments. This from varying locations and periods. I was going to say, oh, what? It's a knockoff? But no. This was originally Jazz Club. Oh, Providence and Period, Brooklyn 2013. So that's not that old. Fragrance, heady cocktails and cigars. Style description, male fragrance. I don't know about cocktails, but I can't stand to be around cigarette smoke or cigar smoke, but I really like the smell of cigar smoke. So, they send you a little sample. Let's see what that's like. Actually, it does have a little smell of cigars in it. Mary, yeah, I know you're eating pizza. Don't spray it on your pizza. Give it a try. And now I'll go for the last thing in there. When you first spray it, it smells like the alcohol that's in perfume, but wait a minute. And there is a cigar smell that's kind of interesting. And the last item in here is a pore refiner primer. I've gotten a lot of primers in these boxes. I don't use them too often. I could use some face spackle to like just cover some old skin crap, but sometimes it's too much of a bother for me. My standard go-to face thing is the IT Cosmetics CC cream, which is worth the price. That stuff is amazing. Yeah, I highly recommend that. So I probably will pass this along too, but it is a very nice, nice primer. So that wasn't too bad. Some of the Sephora plays I'm not wild about. Some of them are pretty good. So I got 1, 2, setting spray definitely will be used. 3, it will be passed on. 4, skin tint, I've already used it. This is something I will use. 5, soy cleanser, and then a little extra bonus was the perfume. The favorite perfume sample I've ever gotten is called Not a Perfume, and it was, who told me? I think Georgia Sunshine might have told me. It just had 1 note in it. I don't know what the note was, but that was really amazing stuff. Okay, so that is the Sephora play for this month for me. Everybody gets different samples, and I look forward to seeing what you guys got this month. I will see you soon when my next box of whatever arrives. Bye-bye.